Hello everyone who loves technology. Today's modern machines are devices and systems developed and used in modern times to increase efficiency and utility in agriculture and industry. Machines Tech is a channel that aggregates the most modern machines and gives you a deep knowledge of technology. Let's explore with me. Next is one of New Holland's specialized corn cutting and harvesting machines. The FR920 is equipped with a precise and efficient 6.M long cutting system, which cuts the corn evenly and ensures the quality of the silage. Engine capacity of 670 horsepower saves time and effort during harvesting. For areas with extreme climatic conditions, CityMaster 1650 is a multifunctional street cleaner. The CityMaster 1650 is designed for year-round use for maximum flexibility and savings. At the end of June this year, Agbot 5.115T2 was tested in Hungary. The machine immediately performed 160 hours and made more than 400 hectares of stubble within 3.5 weeks of testing. Xerion Class 5000 and Gregory Besson with 16 plowing tracks for extremely efficient plow work. Just imagine, such a machine can be equal to 30 big and strong horses used to plow. Voluntary Pellant Diamond 9056 is a creeping vintage. Working in the vineyards is intended for high growth and high vegetative vigor, for the quality of the harvest product and the integrity of the plants. Technology has been applied to the wood chipper for fast working speed. Woodworking and tree chipper with this machine will amaze you. After rotating the peat, which is formed into a bed by a cultivator, the new layer of peat is milled. This stage of work is usually repeated 5 to 7 times before harvesting. A gravel road about 0.5 kilometers long with typical damage in the form of potholes was restored to its original state in just 30 minutes by this machine. Liebherr LPS 420E is all electric. Designed specifically for large port operators with electrical infrastructure, gantry cranes. The machine offers local zero-emissions operation, making it a dynamic vehicle and an eco-friendly solution. After the grass is cut, they will leave it there for a while to dry it and take it to feed for livestock establishments. The estimated global average yield of cherries is between 12 to 15 million tons per year. The United States is one of the important cherry-producing countries. The states of California and Washington are the two states that mainly grow cherries. The average yield in the U.S. can range from 3 to 10 tons of fruit/ha. Grapes are grown all over the world, from temperate regions to tropical and subtropical regions. Countries known for growing grapes include France, Italy, Spain, USA, Argentina, Chile, Australia, and South Africa. The next video will be a series of machines to care for and harvest grapes. If you are impressed with the machines, give us a like, share, and click the subscribe button to receive notifications about the latest videos. The main feature of this machine is a fully welded dual frame without bolted joints with extreme rigidity, without the need for any supporting wheels. Currently, this frame is manufactured with a reach of up to 14 meters. Onion harvest in New Cuyama, California happens around the middle of the year. Before, when technology had not yet developed, farming here was very difficult for farmers. Beautiful vast cotton fields are being harvested using modern machines in the Netherlands. If you find this video interesting and useful, please give it a like, share, and subscribe to the channel to receive notifications about the latest videos. Harvest sugar beets at the horticulture farm with the Verviet Q616 6-row harvester. The yield of sugar beet increases by about 30% when harvested with modern machines compared to semi-automatic machines. Garford Farm Machinery Ltd. is a development, manufacturing, and distribution company supplying high-quality products to the UK and world agricultural markets. We have just discovered modern machines in many different fields. Which machine do you think impressed you the most? Please comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to motivate us to create better videos for you. See you in the next video.